2 holes in the front.
Okay, we gotta work on the primary now, I guess. What you wearing holes over everything there? Okay, so we need a key for that.
Get by here. You putting it back on? Yeah.
Where's that spacer I brought you?
It's in a bag right there on the bench.
Baggy, right on the bench.
It's not on the bench?
What's that say?
Baggy.
60 thou. So this is a heavy-duty alternator rotor, so it does not take any spacers. But you still have to have a trim spacer to adjust your chain. That's 60 thou or 50. So now you got to put all this stuff on without the chain and check your alignment. What's that?
What's the key you asked for?
Oh.
Take the chain off, huh?
Take the chain off. What else is going to fall off?
Clutch hook, chingus pressure
There
plate.
you go. Don't need that either. Key needs to go straight up and down.
Just slightly towards the back, but you can't see shit, can
Can't see the keyway?
you? No.
It's right down there.
Hmm?
Can't look down in there? Should be able to.
Can't see it.
Can't see
It's
it?
tapered shaft, remember?
Well, we got a washer on the Evo.
Yeah.
4-speed, you can see it just fine.
1 second. Let's just see,
Hold off, see the move.
see where we're at here.
You should be able to put your finger back there and feel it. Yeah, it looks like you pushed the key out there, buddy. You got a key sticking straight up. That means you shoved it in there when you shoved it. So is the key all the way down? Okay, so going slower this time and kind of wiggle around and feel it. Okay. Doesn't hurt to put a screwdriver back there also to help hold it down.
It's lined up right now, I think.
It doesn't want to go in, does it?
Let's do it again.
Yeah, that's because you did it to it. Maybe that's why they went to splines.
Other reasons also.
What was the other reasons?
Strength.
Oh, strength.
You can't twist it.
You can twist splines out, I've seen it done.
Yeah.
You can put that on. You gotta hit that.
I think it's,
And hold it for a minute. Ain't long enough to get in
get
there.
over here. Where you at? Okay.
It's in right there. You pull it out now.
I think it's lifted up on you.
Not very tight. Oh, it did?
Yeah.
One more time. Yeah, push it way out. Anything we can do to put this, keep this thing in place a little bit better? Some grease or something
Why
on
don't
it?
you see if it fits in there and see if it's not bound up. If it doesn't fit in that hole, it'll never go in.
See when it came out of it.
That doesn't mean it's going to go back in. They go in nice and free.
Yeah.
Okay. Do it again. Where's the screwdriver at? I'm missing a screwdriver.
The longer one?
No,
It's
no.
right there.
Small one. The medium one. There it is.
It's angled kind of down right now.
So just go down the back,
Yeah, down in the back a little bit.
Can't go too down. It's got to be the same angle as the taper.
flat.
Yeah,
Yep,
that's
like
good.
that. You're in. Can you see my on or not? I can't tell. Nope, you already moved. You're moving it before you even get in there.
I need to lift up a little bit on the clutch hook.
Yes, you do. Okay,
Then
try it down.
he's going. The key needs going a little bit further to stop it from going back all the way.
Okay, try it there. On it.
I don't think so. You push it out again.
Is it in? Is it wobbling? It's wobbling. Yep. Straight up again. Okay, that ain't working. Leave it off for now. Not the hub, the key.
Oh.
We still got to check the hub. I don't care about the key right now. It's coming back off anyway. There's no chain on it. Okay, you on there? You
Yeah.
happy? Is it wobbling? Perfect. Where's this one?
Yeah. Got that part that was clutch there. Got that other washer.
Let's see. Where is my? Problem is this doesn't fit in here, it's too short. This one doesn't work either, see? Thought I had a short one that would fit in here. This one appears to be bent.
Got washer thickness on that washer.
Oh, adding that 60,000.
Could be off a little bit.
Hold up.
Greasy hands.
Have Jeremy hold it.
It's cleaning his hands over here.
Can't tell because it's got a bend in it. That's the length we need to go.
Put a straight edge across here, but you can't really, with the chain on, do that, but that don't work that good.
Yeah. Piece of sheet metal or a piece of flat stock, it's this length. I have a lot of stuff laying around here, so.
Underneath the bench, a bunch.
Yeah, it's not like the other shop where you had stuff laying all over the place to use. It's what it is around here.
Oh, it's a little cleaner over here.
No. More of a
There's
problem.
less room.
That's for sure.
Less crap laying around here. Problem.
Yeah. A bunch of empty boxes over there.
There we go.
Yeah,
That's
but it's
better,
not anywhere near flat. Look at that. If it ain't flat, it don't work very well. I think that one's too long. Yeah, about
Yeah.
that much too long.
I'll cut that shit real quick.
Nope. Alright. There's other ways of doing stuff, but nothing easy. Let's see how we're going to check this damn thing.
Can't straight edge it here? Move it back to the sprocket?
Can't get to it. Trying to figure out how I'm going to measure that. There's nothing to go to. Can't see it. Can't get to it. This ain't a 4-speed. Things are different. Can't really get in here to do it.
We got,
Alright,
we got
go.
something.
Let me see if I can dig up here.
I'll do it. Can you get on the inside teeth? No? Not quite, huh?
First thing I do is get straighten it. Gotta get it halfway straight. That's straight now?
That just got worse.
Hmm?
He just bent it even.
Am I going too much? Is that what you said?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
I know you got something around here better than that.
No, I don't.
You don't think so? Like a tool?
About a piece of welding rod.
If it was thick enough.
It's an inexpensive welding rod that we could cut a piece and just put right in there.
You think so?
I don't think anything's that expensive anymore.
I like this piece here, though.
You got 8 miles of rod up there.
Does that look straight now?
What are you going to measure to now?
Trying to get into the teeth over here. I don't like that spacer in there, I'll tell you that. Close, but not there.
The spacer's too thick?
Yeah, I think it's sticking out too far. It looked like it was too far just by eyeballing too, but. Alright, you want to use some fancy ass welding rod?
Yeah.
There's a
You
here.
like some hard stuff that's straight and
Mhm.
through?
Oh, also.
That's not previously bent by somebody else?
No flux on it, right?
Flux. What do you flux?
Well, that's pre-flux stuff, yeah.
Pre-flux.
Oh, he's gonna charge you if he
I'm
cuts
gonna
that
use
in
these
half.
expensive ass
Oh,
bars here.
new bolt cutters you got.
These are expensive
How long
ass.
does that need to be? Is that silver shot or what?
Silver, it's silver. Needs to be long enough to go in here. So we're gonna go ahead and cut off this much here.
Well, that passed the test. We're doing tool tests tonight also.
Thing out. Oh, my finger. Is it still straight, sir?
Looks, appears to be. You grind off the end of it for you?
Nope. So I'm pulling it toward the outside edge. See how we're not hitting on anything? Hold it like that. See how it's not moving, it's right up against it?
Mm-hmm.
Can I go over that?
What does that mean? Just, they're lined up then with no spacer in it?
No
Nothing.
spacers lined up. Now, take it, turn 180. Try it again.
180 on what?
The welding rod.
Oh.
Pull up line again. And see, it's the same thing. That's how you check to make sure your tool is good.
I'm good. Okay.
This might not be virginally
I thought
straight.
you want me to turn the damn motor
Yeah.
over.
Some
So
ass
maybe-
mechanic might have bent that when they cut it.
Are you gonna save that? That's part of your.
Is this a Harley tool now?
Should take
Yeah,
one.
officially-
FXR. I don't like FXRs though.
Remember that?
This is too short for a real bike.
Hmm.
You could make an axle adjuster's thing out of it for the back.
I'm gonna put that on the welding bench.
Isn't an FXR just a Sportster with a bigger motor in it?
Okay, so you do not take this on this bike. It does not fit.
We won't charge me for it then.
Oh, he took it. I got the bag right here.
Yeah, that was like $100 for that.
Part
at
number
least.
on that baby.
At least.
At least 100.
Just for an FXR, it had to be worth $100.
Nah.
Everything on FXR is $100.
These are like
Elvis would have got 200.
aluminum barrels are the problem.
Elvis would have got 200.
These are rebuildable. Like a Dyna's not rebuildable. I mean, a tin can's not rebuildable. These are rebuildable. They have aluminum barrels. No good.
What kind if they
Yeah.
get hot, they warp? That's what he's
Yep,
saying.
they do.
That's why he doesn't like them.
Okay.
That's the only reason why.
Everything iron barrels, you know.
You know, but I have fixes for that. I have iron barrels for these things.
Not necessarily iron hit. I know I've seen those. I've been wanting to get those from you for quite a while.
Yeah, but accidentally make this thing into a 97-inch motor.
Axe tail. That would be nice too, wouldn't it? 97.
It would
That's
make it
what this thing
97.
needs.
Just from just by putting some cylinders on.
Just do, yeah, we got to do big barrels too, don't you? I mean, the bore on the cases.
But my cylinders are extra tall, so you have to put the 5-inch crank in there too, so that'd be 110.
You know,
Actually, it's
that
116.
won't
It's
fit.
116 actually.
That's what it gets up to.
With
With
a
a
5-inch
4.5?
With a 5-inch stroke.
A 5-inch stroke.
116.